Welcome to Slooh this week on April 8th, 2024. Coming up, what's new at Slooh? What's up this week? And our student spotlight. What's new at Slooh? With the total solar eclipse of Monday, April the 8th behind us, we're excited to tell you about our 2024 summer school. If you'd like your students to continue their hands-on space exploration over the summer, hop over to our 4th to 8th grade summer school page to learn more. It's designed to spark your students' curiosity about career opportunities in space. It includes 3 new 4th to 8th grade Quest learning activities developed by industry experts to teach your students how to think like astronomers. What about our recommended quest this week? Well, hopefully you watched our live eclipse star party and captured loads of images from our live telescope streams. If you did, then head over to the Special Eclipse Moments quest. If you're new to Slooh, just click the Quest button in the navigation bar, then the All Quest tab, and then filter by category to open the Moments quest. You'll learn about the eclipse before creating your own custom infographic poster with your captured images. Let's take a look at what's up this week. The new moon responsible for Monday's spectacular total solar eclipse becomes a waxing crescent moon for the remainder of the week. It will first be visible through the telescopes in the special missions we've scheduled on Wednesday at the start of missions. That's a rare opportunity to capture such a young, thin crescent, so don't miss it if you're doing the Lunar Phases quest. What about the planets this week? Well, Jupiter and Uranus have now joined the other planets as they slipped into evening twilight and are now too low to observe until they return in July. Saturn, Neptune and Mars return to pre-dawn skies in May, but until then, it's only the dwarf planet Pluto that we can observe. As for deep sky objects, with very little moonlight to spoil the view this week, it's an ideal period to capture fainter objects like galaxies and nebulae. By the end of April, the celestial gems in the constellation of Orion will disappear into evening twilight. So we thought we'd share this wonderful observation of the Orion Nebula in this week's Student Spotlight. It was shared by Payson from the Swiftwater Elementary School. The Orion Nebula is one of my favourite objects to capture with the Canary 3 Deep Sky Telescope because of its enormous field of view. It means we also get to capture the feet of the Running Man Nebula that you can see at the top of the image. But if we take a closer look at the image, we see the satellite that Payson referenced in their title. But this is no ordinary satellite trail. We see it as a dashed line, but what on Earth, or in space, could cause the line to be dashed? Well, quite a few satellites spin on their axis to keep them stable, and most have shiny surfaces or solar panels. So what Payson captured is a spinning satellite, reflecting the sunlight on each spin. We know the exposure used was 50 seconds long, so you could calculate the satellite spin rate if you felt so inclined. By the way, Payson has been awarded 500 special gravity points for this excellent and fascinating observation. Our second student spotlight submission this week is from teacher Rod Kennedy from Natrona County Schools and the associated Casper Planetarium, where they support the K-12 curriculum standards in science. Rod created his own quest for his 9th grade physical science students. As Rod describes it, HR diagrams are the Rosetta Stone for stars, a method of graphing out the stellar life cycles of various mass stars. I'm sure this will inspire Slooh's quest development team, maybe to supplement the excellent Life and Death of Stars quest. Now don't forget, if you'd like to be featured in our student spotlight, share your own observations or quest posters with the community. We'd especially like to see your special eclipse images and quest posters next week. That wraps it up for this week. Until next time, clear skies everyone.